Today we will be finishing our How Can We Change the Way Objects Move booklet. So pause your video now to go find your booklet and a pencil, then come back and join us. Turn in your booklet to page 388. You should be looking at the yellow Sum It Up page. Number 1 says, solve it. Write the word that solves the riddle. I move a box when it is full. I can be a push or a pull. What am I? I'll give you a hint. The right answer is not push or pull, but it's a word that could be used to describe both of them. Look back through your booklet, pause your video, come back when you're ready to move on. Number 2, circle it. Forces can change objects. Circle the words that tell the kinds of changes. So can a force change an object's speed, color, direction, size, or shape? I'll give you a hint. You should have 2 words circled. Number 3, label it. Write push or pull to label each picture. So here I see a mouse, and he's got a string in his hands, and it looks like he's trying to get the string to come towards his body. And this mouse has his hands up against this blue box, and he's trying to get it to go away from his body. So you're going to write either push or pull on each of these lines. You should only use each word one time. Pause until you're ready to move on. Now on page 389, we're going to be using these words from the yellow box and this letter wherever they make sense. So the words are speed, push, force, and pull. So as I read the letter, you need to be thinking of which of those words make sense on each line. Dear Jen, we moved into our new house. My dad drove the moving truck. He made sure the blank of the truck was not too fast. So did he make sure the speed, the push, the force, or the pull was not too fast? Pause your video until you've written your word and marked it out at the top. Moving is hard. I had to blank boxes all day. Now on this one, there's 2 words that could make sense, so you may want to wait and see which word is left over at the end. It took a huge blank to move my box of toys. All right, do we think it took a huge speed, push, force, or pull? My dad had to blank it while my brother pushed. There's a clue word. My dad had to blank it while my brother pushed. Did Dad have to speed, push, force, or pull while brother pushed? Your friend, Amy. So let's go back through and read it one more time, and you fill in the lines with the words that you wrote down and make sure that they sound right. Dear Jen, we moved into our new house. My dad drove the moving truck. He made sure the blank of the truck was not too fast. Moving is hard. I had to blank boxes all day. It took a huge blank to move my box of toys. My dad had to blank it while my brother pushed. Your friend Amy. When you're ready, flip to the back and we'll be on page 390. You're going to complete the chart by writing one word on each blank line. So it says that a force, and that's what you're going to see on all of these causes, they're all going to be a force, which is a push or a pull. A force could move a blank. A force could make a wagon go blank. A force pushes a swing blank from you. That was in our story. A force moves a book to a new blank on a shelf. So you can go back through your booklet and see which words match up with these effects or things that happen because of a force. Again, it says moves a blank, makes a wagon go blank, pushes a swing blank from you, moves a book to a new blank on a shelf. When you are all done, take a picture of all 3 pages and submit to this assignment.